We'll guide you through how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see, the play button has a circle with a line through it in it, and when you click on it, we go and get that message there. This can be super annoying as it stops you from playing your Roblox games. To go and fix this, come to the bottom right of Roblox and click on the More button. On this menu, you need to scroll down and locate the Settings option and click there. Now come to the top of settings and click on account info. Below my settings, you'll see a drop down list. Click there and you can then go and select parental controls. And you want to come into allowed experiences. What you can then do is choose the age you want to be able to play experiences for. I want to be able to play 17 plus. Then what you need to do is enter the PIN attached to your account. If you don't know it, you have to ask the person who set it up to enter it. We can then come out of our settings and back to home. And I'll then show you we can now go and play the game as you can see. If you found this useful, then leave a like.